All right, so today we're going to be taking a look at the UNC threes, but before we get into that, make sure to like, subscribe, and this week's song of the week is going to be Vice City by X, and honestly, this song is fucking amazing. I know I say that like every week, and like that's the point because it's a fucking amazing song, but honestly, this song is really special because it's his first song like ever, and it's crazy how good this song is for just being his first song. Like if you look at other artists, like their first song, like it's not that great to be honest. But this song, honestly, probably one of X's best songs ever. You guys should really go check it out. It's not on Spotify or anything, so I'll leave the link down in the description on where to find it on YouTube. But yeah, anyways, let's get right into the review. Okay, so this is the box that it comes in. It's just a regular Air Jordan 3 box, but the only difference is that it has that UNC blue. And let's look at the size tag. I got a 9.5 just because I always go half a size up in my threes. Mostly because, I don't know, I feel like they run small on the side. Retail was $190. I got these from the sneakers app. And if you open it up, you got that elephant print paper. And you got the shoes. Let's take them out. As you can see, like the box is all red on the inside, which looks really fucking cool with the blue. I don't know why. Let's close it. Bro, I hate closing Jordan 3 boxes. But yeah, if we take out the shoes, these look so clean. In case you guys didn't know, these are actually based off of the UNC player exclusives. I'll put a picture up on the screen somewhere. And I wanted those for so long. Like I've always seen pictures of them and I always wanted them. So I was so happy when I saw that these were coming out. Like as soon as I saw like the first like leaked image or mock-up, I knew it was a must cop. And honestly, these look so clean. This is like the perfect summer shoe. All right, so the only difference between these and or at least the only big difference at least with these and the player exclusives is that it has the Jumpman on here and the player exclusives have the UNC logo. And a couple other differences is that these the elephant print's a little bit lower to match like an OG feel of like the original Jordan 3s, and this actually goes all the way to the top. In other Jordans, you can like see the sock liner. Oh yeah, and this says soul and this says heart, so heart and soul. And yeah, that's pretty much the only difference with these and like the UNC pair. Like they both have the Jumpman on the back. And this is just an overall like super clean Jordan 3. Like this is probably one of the best Jordans that came out this year because they're so fucking nice. I love how the sneakers have like a nice navy blue trim right here. I don't know if you can see that. It looks black, but it's actually navy blue. They also added it right here and at the bottom of the shoe, which in my opinion looks so fucking nice. The bottom looks amazing. Look at the back. Looks so clean. Again, I got these from the sneakers app for retail, which was I believe it was like $210 or maybe like $205 after taxes and shipping and everything. And yeah, they're super clean. On the inside, as a red insole. Quality products inspired by the greatest basketball player ever. I believe it also has it on the Michigan 5s. It has that on the back. So if you have those, you might remember that. And yeah, these are super fucking clean. Definitely a must cop if you like Jordan 3s. And yeah, let's take a look at these on feet. Okay, so this is how they look on feet when you're sitting down. And they look so fucking clean. Here, let me show you guys. Like, these look so fucking sick. These threes are really good. You can kind of see like the little red. I didn't like tie them. I just put the laces in there. You can kind of just see like the little heart and soul. Let me put this shoe up. In case you guys are wondering, just some regular American Eagle jeans. Nothing crazy. The materials are really nice. These are going to crease really badly, I think. Just because of how soft it is and like, I don't know, man. Like, they look so clean. Like, right out the box, I would hate to see these creased. But at the end of the day, they're shoes, so whatever. I'm glad I went half a size up because right here on the side, it's always a little bit too small when I go true to size. So fucking clean. Okay, let me show you guys from a different angle. So they look like from the back. Yeah, in my opinion, if you want to buy these, they're a must cop. Like, just buy them, man. Honestly, one of the best Jordans that came out this year. I'm glad I picked these up for retail, and you guys should definitely pick them up. But yeah, anyways, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and let me know what you guys think about the kicks. Thanks for watching.